We're going to start off this project by tracing our hand in the center of our paper, not at the bottom, because we don't want too much space at the top. We want to make sure we have equal amount of sides on both, equal amount of space on both sides of our paper. We're going to get our black crayon and start tracing around our fingers. Make sure that your fingers are spread apart. You're going to make sure that your crayon stays straight up and down while you are tracing around your fingers. You should have a perfect trace like that. Then we're going to start adding shapes on our paper. They can overlap our hand. They can go off the paper. We're going to add squares, rectangles, triangles. You can see how I've added a few that go off the paper. That's totally fine. But I haven't made my shapes too small. Now I'm going to start coloring. And what you're going to do is you're going to color each shape by itself. So you can see, even though this square is one shape, because the line from my hand is going through the center, that means I'm going to color the other half of that square a different color. We want them to be two different colors if there is a line going through. So now you can see that this circle has a line going through the center. So I'm going to color one half of it with one color. And then I can get a different color to color the other half. You're going to continue doing that for the rest of your shapes. You can see that that little tip of my finger had the line going through it. So the corner of that rectangle was going to be a different color than the rest of that rectangle. Now the rest of my hand, there's a couple more shapes going through small parts, but then the rest of it is all one shape, so I'm going to color it all one color. Then I'm going to finish coloring in. You can see if it goes off the edge, that's fine. You just keep that color going all the way off the edge. This last circle, it doesn't have a line going through it, so it's only going to be one color. Then my background, since it's all one shape without a line going through it, that's all going to be one color. It kind of looks like it's the same color that I colored my hand, but it's not. It's a little bit lighter green. Fill in every single space. And make sure you're not scribbling and you're doing your very best coloring on this picture.